Alright, let's dive into setting up OKX for the terminal. The first step we need to do is to add the OKX account for the terminal. So we'll start by going to the settings, then head over to accounts, and then select the OKX tab. Now let's look at this information we need to provide. It's pretty straightforward. Before we enter any information, you can either give the API and key a name, or you can just click on OK keys here at the link at the top to proceed. If you're already logged into OKX, this link will lead you directly to your API key page. If not, please log in quickly and you'll find this page by clicking on your user icon and selecting API keys. Here you'll find an option to create a v5 API key. Click on it and you'll land on this page. Okay, now there are two ways to add this key to the terminal. The first one is API trading and the second one is linking third-party apps. We want to click on linking third-party apps. So for this video, we'll draw focus into setting up the API key linking third-party apps. Click on linking third-party apps, then using the drop-down menu, select Insilico terminal. Give the API key a memorable name. I'll name this one Demo1. So next you'll need to create a very specific passphrase, and there's rules for creating a secure passphrase which OKX outlines. In this example, I'm using a passphrase 1 with a dot at the end. Make sure to note down this immediately. Actually, let's paste this into the terminal now because OKX won't display it again later in this process. Now, we need to specify the permissions, and you'll need to select trade. As this is a third-party app, read should already be default selected. After filling in this information, click confirm. Now OKX will ask us for verification via email and an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or possibly another method depending on your settings. In this case, I'll choose to receive the code via email and via Google Authenticator. Alright, you've got the codes. And once this is done, you'll need to set up the key in the terminal. So copy and paste the key code or API ID into the terminal field. The secret is at the bottom. Copy that as well and paste that into the terminal. Once all of this is entered, click connect. Great, so we're now connected. Go up to the top of the menu, click on OKX, then click connect. Great, now we're connected. You should start to see an order book filling up and trades coming through. This has been Benson for the terminal. Thank you very much for listening and good trading with OKX.